Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Lincoln Navigator hood. Pull the interior hood release on the driver's side kick panel to pop the hood slightly. Walk to the front, reach under the grille, find the safety catch, and press or lift it while raising the hood. Secure the hood with the prop rod or check that gas struts are supporting it before you begin any maintenance or inspection. Start by pulling the interior lever firmly until you hear the hood click open. Move to the front and slide your hand under the grille to find the secondary safety catch, then press or lift that catch while you raise the hood. Once raised, either insert the prop rod into its slot or confirm the gas struts are holding the hood securely, then proceed with your inspection or service, keeping fingers clear of pinch points. Before you open the hood, set the parking brake and switch off the engine for safety. Use gloves to shield hands from heat or sharp edges, and bring a flashlight for clear visibility around hinges and fluid caps. Inspect the prop rod and gas struts for damage before trusting them, and never lean on the hood while it is open. Keep loose clothing and jewelry away from moving parts when you're working under the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.